We hereby proclaim that this summer is the summer of more summer. More dinners from the grill, more sunsets, more firelight, more barbecue buddies, more barbecue bromances, more barbecue to share, more hours in the day, more homemade memories, more time to relax, more time to laugh, more barbecue sauce on your napkin and on your face, more flame, more flavor, more fun. When you think summer, think of the family of brands who know outdoor living. BBQguys.com, UltimatePatio.com, and ShoppersChoice.com.